Crops and varieties. There are 11 types, 38 kinds, over 120 crops, and more than 4,400 varieties included in our program. With that many records of crops and varieties, it would be very time consuming for the user to find each crop and variety that he or she grows. Therefore, we will filter the records based on the type and kind of crop. First, select the type of crop you want to work with. If the value isn't in the list, enter it in the box and the program will add it to the records for you. For this video, I will select cereals, and the crop kind, I'll pick wheat and durum. The crop details area is now displaying all the crops associated with the kind and type that I selected. The first record is highlighted. This indicates the current record. To your right is the variety details area, listing all the varieties that are associated with the crop shown in the highlighted record. What we want to do now is to make sure that only active crops are the crops that you grow. All other crops should be marked inactive. By doing so, this shortens the list of available crops and varieties considerably when selecting the crop in the field activity form. This in turn will make data entry much easier and faster. The quickest way to do this, to inactivate all crops, is by using the Crop Details Inactivate All button. So I'll click on that, and that inactivates all the crops in the list and all their associated varieties. You'll notice that the inactive data field now contains the word yes in every record to indicate that those records are inactive. Now we want to activate the records that represent each of the crops you grow. I'll select Canada Western Amber Durum Wheat, and I'll highlight the word yes in the inactive data field, and I'll hit the delete key. This not only activated this crop, but it also activates all the associated varieties. Repeat this procedure for the varieties. Click Inactivate All on the variety details, and then you locate the variety that you would like to activate. Highlight the word yes in the inactive column, hit your delete key, and now you've activated that variety. Continue to activate all the crops and varieties in this way. A crop can be activated or inactivated at any time. Varieties can only be activated or inactivated when the associated crop is active.